Hello rum sakso sakan tingkon sang satayang ni ketal ba video na talbanga dengtang maca je kon Meghalaya Teacher Eligibility Test MTET na question ko solve ka tinga chim yani thungsa question ko solve ka thaina ka taminga yarang ni answer rang ko danga gan man artha pedagogy aru English compulsory aru maths yarang ko bang solve khat man ha dal danga environmental studies ya ko nga solve kat ken ya question rang ko magan compulsory wa yarang ni answer rang ko gan man ta na simon ko jagen simode ya channel oni kon sandi mana cekai ni nakta man ken unik mana simang video ko namde ken simode video ko like kana kata wal na be aru agatal man diung ini ken simode subscribe kana kata ba wal pana be tawdan chung jol jol solve kani ko takang skana jerangan Meghalaya Teacher Eligibility Test MTET na apply ka achim na simang na admit khatrang ko ba uninga ha na simang badiao sena kata ka akinga na simang admit khat ko download kana kata man gen bisung ni official website tuni ko na simang riang imna download kana kata manai gen admit khatrang ko tawdan chung jol jol question ko niang skana yan susku sak ba question ungen. Which of the following national parks is known as the land of spirit? Land of spirit ni mana badia pa national park ko aganana. Land of spirit Balpakram National Park, Mauflang Sacred Crop, Nokrek National Park, Kaziranga National Park. Land of spirit ni agan pade badia ko na Balpakram National Park ko agana. Option number A. Correct answer is option number A. So skuguni ba question. The most important reason for decrease in biodiversity. My name Asel Mungsong Batli. Asini biodiversity ra kumiangingan. Mo introduction of exotic species, habitat destruction, habitat pollution, afforestation. Answer ara maina habitat destruction. Option number B. Next question 93. The climate of Meghalaya varies with the latitude, magnitude, longitude, altitude. Altitude. Option number D. Altitude. Climate change de altitude ni aselonga. So bring a question. The Nongklem Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which district of Meghalaya? Ya Nongklem Wildlife Sanctuary ya Meghalaya ni badia district ko dunga. Ini GKY environment studies de environmental studies de EBS de GKY ya Meghalaya ni GKY ni gimana simang GK ko niangai bo inu de ya in EBS ko de matnai gen. Nongklem Wildlife Sanctuary badia dunga East Khasi Hills district ko ma West Khasi Hills district, Riboy district, Eastern West Khasi Hills district. Nongklem Wildlife Sanctuary de Riboy district ko dungane. Option number C. Answer is option number C. 95 question. The percentage of the people of Meghalaya who depends on agriculture is approximately baita percent kita Meghalaya agriculture lo depend kana 80%, 50%, 40%, 68%. Baita percent kita answer ara option number A 80% kita depend ka ne Meghalaya de agriculture on 80% kita depend ka. Next question 96. The area of Umiam Lake is approximately Umiam Lake ni talara baita ungi dalana 120 square kilometer, 220 square kilometer, 320 square kilometer, 420 square kilometer. Umiam Lake ara paitani kitong ungi dalana 220 square kilometer. Ne option number B. Next question 97 ka question. Janua 97 ka question. NCF 2015 strongly recommends that teaching of EVS at the primary stage should aim at option 1 acquiring skill to carry out experiments independently, B developing understanding of basic concept of the subject, linking classroom learning to life outside the school, preparing students for studies at the next stage. Badiao ko strongly ungimuna recommend kana NC app ara hajargni bungani EBS teaching maibora. Linking classroom learning to life outside the school. Option number C. Correct answer is option number C. Next question 98. Kaba question: Which of the following objectives is not related to EBS teaching as listed in NCF 2005? Not. Yagania unigmun yakonamere kiniguna unigi jakpane badiagapa NCF hazagni bungani EBS teaching objectives ungja mo unigi jakbako aganinga yunu badiagapa ungja to arouse children's curiosity and awareness about their surroundings, to increase children's knowledge and understanding of their environment, to develop the skill of observation and creative expression, to memorize basic concepts and principles regarding the environment. Option number D. Yan option number D ini de correct answer unge maina gi jaga bakusa gani gum option number D ini de answer ungen. 99 ka question: Good EBS curriculum at the primary stage should include more practice questions in an exercise, provide opportunities to explore surroundings, focus more on detailed explanation of concept, emphasize more on exact definition of terms. Michael, provide opportunities to explore surroundings. Option number B. Correct answer option number B. 100 question. Next question, Yan. An EBS teacher takes students out on a cloudy day to watch and observe the clouds for their pattern, shapes, and size, and uses of knowledge gathered by the students to explain concepts like the formation of rain. Which of the following methods of teaching is used by the teacher? Badiagaba method ko jakhargen na teacher ara. Badia ko group activity method, project method, observation method, discussion method. Badia ko jakhargen observation method ko jakhargen. Option number C is the correct answer. 101 ka question: Problem solving method helps learner in problem solving method ara learner rangna maiko dakchakana finding the solution to the problem, developing the habit of working independently, learning by doing, acquiring knowledge which is more meaningful. Badia ko jakala badia bana dakchakana finding the solution to the problem. Option number A. Solving method te finding the solution to the problem method. But ya question ara hajar gni kholgri kuthamni question gcham one MTET LP ni question gcham wa gni ba question: An EBS teacher asking questions during the course of teaching learning process to monitor children's learning process. This type of assessment is called yan dege ski pa EBS ni gaman question ko sungen simode yan akaba ko main mana ganana group assessment, summative assessment, peer assessment, formative assessment. Main mga ikora formative assessment. Option number D. 103 question: The collection of actual works done by the students during the teaching learning process is called Ravik portfolio, checklist, report card. My collection of actual work done by students. Mo student ni je work sangko maya collect khaga bakon maini mangana rubric mangama portfolio mangama checklist mangama report card manga ikuri maini manga portfolio nimna manga. Option number B. 104 question. Which of the following is not a formative assessment? Assessment formative assessment ungi jagbara inora bade ungen observation during group activities, class work exercise, conducting paper pencil test, giving homework home assignment. Inode badia conducting paper pencil test. Answer de option number C ungen. 105 question. Which local expert will you as a teacher invite to teach your students about food crop? Food crop nigaman badungen farmer, botanist, shopkeeper, carpenter. Food crop ni agano nansing masinga maya farmer ungen. Option number A. 106 question. To help your students understand better about plants in general and which in particular, a skillful EBS teaching invites a farmer. The teacher is using which of the following teaching learning resources? Community resource, media resource, natural resource, institutional resource. Mainak bakus kinagra jakhargen bera community resource ko jakhargen. Option number A. Just a sneak question. Which of the following teaching learning materials is an electronic media? Padagapa inora electronic media wana teaching learning material runi padagapa scrapbook, pictorial chart, flashcard, television. Padagapa na inora electronic media ni akan gensudan suma singa maya television ungen. Television inode teaching learning material electronic media ungen. EBS being an interdisciplinary area seeks linkages between the natural environment and blank environment of a child. Socio-economic, socio-cultural, socio-political, socio-emotional. Nora badungen socio-cultural environment of a child. Option number B. Next question. 109 question. Which of the following is a renewable resource? Renewable resource are inora badia. Coal, iron, water, petroleum. Coal ko ban seng jakar pelakata manja, koila ko ba, iron ko ba, petrol ko ba, di ba? Mai ko jakar pelakata mana, si ko jan singara jakar pelakata mana. Water answer is water. Renewable resource. 110 question. The primary source of energy in a food web is our primary source. Primary source energy in a food web. Sun, green plants, animals, inorganic nutrient. Primary source energy de primary source of energy sane. Source of energy de maya sun. 111 question. The main occupation of the people of Meghalaya is Meghalaya ni mungsong pa pangsakanera mayana poultry, mining, agriculture, weaving. Maya agriculture on bisong de paita 80% ni kita depend kana ba mo da shunagan ba job agriculture. 112 ka question. A herbivore is also known as herbivore for maine kana producer, first order consumer, second order consumer, third order consumer. Herbivore ko de maya first order consumer. Dimana mga option number B. 113 ka question. Wheat, rice, maize, barley and pulses are obtained from roots, stem, fruits, plants. Mayarang na yarangara plants. Option number D. 114 question. Food rich in proteins is called Chani rango protein ko bangi man ga bakon mai ne na body building food, energy giving food, protective food, junk food. Proteins ko bangi man ga pa chani ko de mai mga body building food timang agana. 115 ga question. Which gas is responsible for global warming? Nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas, hydrogen gas. Global warming are maya carbon dioxide gas. A ball is made out of a lamp of clay. The clay ball is neck shaped as a rectangle. The change observed in the above activity is physical change, chemical change, permanent change, temporary change. Physical change. Lamp of a clay. The clay ball is neck shaped rectangle. Bimangan change physical change. Deficiency of which vitamin causes bleeding gums? Badiagapa vitamin chungjaw anchingara an chiungwana mo an chiunga wagamrango an chiungpa badiagapa vitamin chungjaw anchingara wagamrango an chiunga mo bleeding unga vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B. My vitamin chungjaw, vitamin C chungjaw sanchingara wagamrang an chiunga mo. Answer is option number B again. 118 question. Which of the following methods has a definite shape and volume? Matter: plasma, liquid, gas, solid. Definite shape and volume de solid. Option number D. In science ni one. The various states of matter can be interchanged into one another by altering the conditions of volume, pressure, temperature, both A and B. You know the again? Both A and B, volume or pressure. Option number D. Last question. When did the government of India pass the Environment Protection Act? Pasako Environment Protection Act ko government ra pass ka 1981, 1984, 1986, 1990. Pasako pass ka na 1986. Option number C. Yenon tare machota ha hunigman nisoni na sakandikon sangsai matelbia na simang video ko namda kenchi mode video ko like kana kata golang na be aro agatal manding ngesi mode channel ko subscribe kana be aro jerangan MTET by Meghalaya Teacher Eligibility Test ko ye bersih exam sena kata mengacem bomang naba share kar kat pabo sangsai sakandikon matelbia